So this is my 1994 Jaguar XJS facelift, which is just about to get some surgery. The scuttle panels had always had some bubbling under the screen and the footwells were pretty wet, so decided just to go for it. But I've evidence some previous repairs, and inside the scuttle there, see, we're going to have to fill some holes. I'm going to have to remove the interior, the dashboard. This area here was filled with seal, still quite soft, looks a bit factory. Other side, pretty much the same. So on the passenger side, this had an extensive bit of filler fiberglass links in it. See the panels, a lot of little holes in it. Doesn't look too bad up here, but there is some bubbling. So what we'll do is I'll remove all this. Also that piece needs repaired underneath, and there's quite a lot of filler in here, so I imagine some of this will be coming off just to see what's underneath.